give us a short introduction to your research?
First of all, let me thank all the people here at XFEL that gave us the opportunity to come and do this experiment. It's a great chance, and yeah, about the topic, it's about the science of microbubbles and micro-droplets, which are used so far as contrast agents for medical applications. So they are introduced to the bloodstream and allow ultrasound-based imaging to reveal what's happening, but also use them as, for the future, as carriers of drugs to enhance drug delivery in brain tumor. And the way they do that is that they can assist in the opening of the blood-brain barrier, which so far can only be achieved with invasive methods, so this is non-invasive, and deliver the drug to specific tumor areas in the brain. That's the motivation for this work, but the devil is always in the details. So what we're trying to do here is with this advanced imaging method to understand how the microbubbles and microdroplets respond to ultrasound waves, interact with the, let's say, soft material, tissue mimicking materials, and from that understand how we can optimize the system to target at the end the blood-brain barrier opening.
How can the SPB SFX instrument help you learn more about ultrasound-activatable perfluorocarbon droplets?
The imaging offered, the imaging methods offered here at XFEL have the ability to penetrate through droplets which otherwise are opaque. They don't allow light to go through, and therefore when there is a phase change and they interact with surrounding tissues, which can also be opaque, can tell us what is happening in very fast time frame, this phase change process and the interaction with surrounding tissues.
How can learning more about the physico-chemical features of these micro-droplets help society in the future?
All these biomedical, let's say, applications, it's a long way till they get to any clinically approved product. And this is still at the early stages where we're trying to understand the physics before they can go to clinical practice. Of course, there are many other groups which do animal testing. All these clinical tests need to be done prior to any, let's say, implementation of the technologies to society and to medical practice. But what we are doing here is the very fundamental research on the physics and combination of chemistry and not the biology part. So for addressing a big issue like this one, we need to bring together in future research and clinical endeavors the interdisciplinary groups together, which is part of a larger project, of course.